This is Colin Dijs with Dijs University, and in this video I'm going to show you the best landing pages to use when promoting ClickBank offers using Facebook ads.
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
So in this video I will show you two examples of Facebook compliant landing pages, so hopefully you won't run into any issues. I will give you the tips and tricks we use to make money on ClickBank using Facebook ads. So first of all, I am in Landerize right now. That is the software we're going to use, and here we have all kinds of landing pages, but this one says Facebook compliant quiz. So we're going to open this lander, and then I will show you exactly what to say and what not to say, right? So let's go to ClickBank. I will show you the offers you can use, the offers that you can't use, and all of the information attached to it. So first I have to grab the actual account. So as you can see, we have good experience with ClickBank. All the results are there, and you can get the same by going to the marketplace. So anything betting related, anything gambling related, anything Nutra related, you can't run on Facebook. It is simply too risky. However, one of my favorite niches to run is spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs. So if you would go there, then you have all these different offers. So numerologist is an insanely good offer. However, you have to get approved for this offer. But there's a ton of different offers here. So if you go to Landerize, this one is get started to reveal your success blockers, right? It is about personal development. You want to be better. So step 1 is you're struggling. Step 2 is you're going to feel better. This is the standard template, right? You can change the background. You can change anything you want. You can change the copy. What is important is that this copy in this landing page is actually Facebook compliant, which means it is allowed to be run on Facebook. Still, you have to control your ads. Still, if you change the copy, you have to be compliant. That's why I'm saying if you put in a different offer, which is okay, just make sure that in relation to the compliancy on Facebook, you make sure you don't alter this too much. If you change the whole text, obviously it's not compliant anymore, right? So this is a questionnaire where basically people go through the questions. As you can see, question, and you can alter anything you want depending on the offer. You can put in a new image. The size is right here, and you can basically use all that information to put together your perfect lander. However, this is a very simplistic quiz which I have tested myself, and it converges best in this spirituality, new age, and alternative beliefs, right? Then there is another template which I want to show you, one which we just added, and this is for basically all the offers available. Again, Facebook compliant quiz. Create this page. And as you can see, this one, you can change the background colors, change everything. It has all the questions, it has the privacy policies, everything you need. And again, the Facebook disclaimer. So for this one, we saw it work better with the Facebook disclaimer. And this one is for the power efficiency guide. You can basically alter this to any offer except gambling, Nutra, investing, the things that are really not allowed. But if we go to the marketplace, you can see spirituality would be good, sports would be good, travel would be good, self-help, no, nothing about money, nothing about dating either. Then, let me see, what do we have on parroting? Yeah, save my marriage, maybe. That is a little bit dating, but also a little bit of a gray area. Arts and entertainment, for sure, very, very solid offers there to promote with this quiz. So as you can see, the other quiz is really themed. We can even grab it. We can put them next to each other. So this one is really themed. Oh, this is actually one of my guys changed it to manifest miracle. So this one is actually altered. You can see 7 days miracle. That is not really the landing page I just opened, which is this one. 1, 2, 3. That was the lander I just showed you. So this was before, and one of my guys changed it to this, right? 3 questions, 3 answers, and this one only has 2 answers. Different copies. So your social habits may influence how you set goals. How do you feel about your goal setting? This one is just like, are you a man or a woman? See? So the whole lender is changed, but not changed that much. So with Lenderize, it's super simple to edit your landing pages, and this one is Facebook compliant, so I guess this one is what they're running right now. But I wanted to compare these two, because as you can see, the look and feel is very different. This is more geared toward females, I would say 30 plus, and this is more geared toward males, 30 plus. Boring, you just want them to click through. There's a little bit more information there, and you can customize this to anything you want, right? So all the questions, this one has 4 questions. You can say, do you know anyone who works for an energy company? No. Where do you live? United States. And you can change all that, right? How do you currently get your electricity? A big energy company. I've never performed any do-it-yourself, right? And then it's being pushed to the actual domain you put in Lenderize. So you have these 2 Facebook compliant quizzes, and this is basically the flow that we usually use. So it's marked as Facebook compliant quiz here, Facebook compliant quiz here. If you don't have Lenderize, you can get a 14-day free trial in the description down below, or you can try to find these landing pages in a spy tool, or you can ask your affiliate manager for them. Well, not for ClickBank, but maybe you can find them on Google. I don't know, but these are the 2 we've tested. We have this quiz, we have other spinner quiz, we have this quiz, but they are not Facebook compliant in a way where you can run ClickBank offers with them. They are suitable for other offers, right? So there's a lot of different lenders in here, and not all of them are suitable for running Facebook ads with ClickBank successfully and compliant. So use these lenders. If you have any questions about them, hit me up in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.